Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today's video is going to be another hair tutorial. I have this brown chocolate hair from Wiggins Hair. They sent me 26 or 28 inches, but I chopped it off. I wanted to add some layers, so I'm just going to show you how I achieve this. This is a 13 by 6 frontal, which is always great because you have enough parting space. Initially I was going to do a side part, but I thought a middle part would look quite nice, especially like for this holiday season. So this is the finished look. So I'm going to take you through everything that I use. It's not going to be like a talk through because I've done this many times. So I'm just going to go through the video and just show you how obviously I lay the frontal. The frontal was customized and bleached, which saves you a lot of time. The only thing is it didn't have an elastic band, which I haven't attached, but I will probably attach it at a later point to obviously keep it on your head. But yeah, it fit really well. And then I ended up like having to dye the roots just so so it looked a bit more, just worked on me. Anyway, enough rambling, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so this is the finished look. I just did some more cutting off camera because I needed to see what I was doing because I can't see through this lens. So yeah, I have just laid it, I cut it a little bit, I hope it's even. And then yeah, this is the finished look. I definitely would say the pin curl method is a very good technique if you want to get like bouncy hair, but I do think when it's layered, it adds that extra touch. So I'm gonna work on my layering technique. So we'll see, because I feel like it does make a big difference. So that's it. I will link everything down below as per usual. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.